Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Ligayang pagdating sa aking YouTube channel. Today we're going to test Aircon capacitor, and this one is 40 UF 450 VAC, while this one guys is 50 UF 450 VAC also. The other one here is a 12 UF 440 VAC, and papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito i-test. Itong isa guys is pag pinaikot ko nag-i-spin siya, ibig sabihin ito ay bloated na at ito ay dead na. This one here guys is once I pour it on top on a flat surface, it will spin because this one is a bloated and it's a dead capacitor, while this two here is still flat. Now I'm going to show you first by using analog multimeter, and they said by using this one they can see if it is a leaky or a shorted and a good capacitor. And let's try that. Let's try with this one guys, with the 40 UF. Umpisa natin sa 40 UF gamit ang analog multimeter. At ang good daw guys is dapat malakas ang palo niya at babalik din dito. They said that a good capacitor should deflect more than it goes back to zero. And this one guys is a good capacitor, and take a look what will happen. Okay, it deflect here, then it goes back. Nag-deflect siya ng konti at bumalik. Ngayon babalik ko lang yung test prod ko. I'm going to invert my test prod and look what is the deflection. Okay, the deflection goes to 250 and it goes back. Next, tignan naman natin to guys kung malakas ang deflection niya. Okay, kanina umabot tayo dito sa 100 at bumalik. Nung pinalitan ko, pumalo sa 250 at bumalik. Ngayon baliktari ko naman ito. Tingnan natin kung madadagdagan. Okay, same, kahit baliktarin ko. And next with the defective. Let's see if the defective will still got a deflection. Okay, the defective doesn't have a deflection. Ayan. Which of these two is still good? As I mentioned a while ago, this one is good. How about this one? And to check this properly guys, use a multimeter which has a capacitance reading, because if this one already changed its value, the compressor will not pump properly if the capacitor is being changed its value, or if it's totally dead, the air conditioner, either in split type or a window type or a cassette type, as long as it is an inverter, the evaporator fan motor will operate, and the condensing fan motor also will spin, but the compressor will not going to start dahil sira ito. Ang ating aircon, mapa split type man o window type, kapag ito ay non-inverter, once na defective na, hindi aandar ang kanyang compressor, although umandar ang kanyang evaporator fan motor at ang kanyang condenser fan motor. And gagamit tayo guys ng tester, and this is a multimeter. Now just select it to capacitance reading, and we are now in the capacitance reading. This is nanofarad, and let's begin with the defective one, and I'm gonna show you if the defective still have a reading. Okay, this is a non-polar, wala po itong polarity. Okay, we got 35 nanofarad. See, it's totally dead. It's totally dead. let's begin. Let's also check. Ito guys is defective na talaga dahil ayan, sa aming mga technician, isang gamit ang aming screwdriver, katapatan namin ng ganito, makikita namin na nakaumbok na ito. Yeah, this is the visible check up once we check the unit. It's a floated capacitor, it's a dead capacitor. While a good capacitor, see, it's a flat. I-check naman natin to guys. Pag i-check natin ito kanina, last and deflection niya, tingnan natin kung tama bang 40 UF siya. Ayan. At naka-reading tayo ng 40.2. Gamit ang kanyang tolerance, pasok siya. Meron siyang tolerance guys na plus minus 5%. At ito ay at ito ay 12 UF. Papakita ko sa inyo na pag ginamit natin to mag-spin pa rin yung ating fan motor. Ginagamit to sa mga tanner guys. Kung ito nilada na, dito ginagamit yung capacitor na yan. Ngayon, tignan natin kung we're gonna check this 12 UF and let's see if it has to detect that this is still 12 UF. Okay, we only got 3.02 UF. Therefore, pag ginamit natin ito, mahina na ang spin ng ating fan motor. Take note guys, using analog multimeter, the deflection of this one is already weak. Napatunayan natin na weak siya by using capacitor reading. While ito guys, nung ginamitan natin ng may deflection ito na napakalakas, napatunayan naman natin na good pa siya. So both pwede nyo gamitin. Okay, pwede nyo gamitin ang analog. Iset nyo lang sa times 1K times 10 or times 1. Nasa inyo kung saan yung gusto. So, napatunayan ko sa inyo guys na using the capacitant, I prefer na bumili kayo ng ganito at i-review nito yung kanyang value, kung ito pa ba ay good o hindi na good, para sa mga paps dyan, para di kayo maloko ng mga technician, ng mga quack technician. It's better na kayo na lang ang mag-check nito. Bili na lang kayo ito for 2K lang ito. I prefer guys that you should buy this once you have air conditioner in your home. You can use it in multiple purpose, whatever you want. You want to measure the voltage, you're also an electronic enthusiast, you should buy this one. So the aircon technician will not fool you and they will not charge you once you have that one, and you should do it. The replacement, you can do that by yourself. And as I said in Tagalog, either you have this one, no need to buy this one. As before, earlier the video, when I use this one, the deflection is very strong, meaning that this capacitor is still okay because it's a 40 UF, and when we use this digital, the value is still 40 and it has a 0.2. Dito, this one is a 12 UF and now the remaining is only a 3 UF. And earlier in the video, I show you that the deflection is not strong. That's why the capacitance is not strong. If you like my video guys, please support me by clicking subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I have a new upload video. Thanks for watching. God bless.